Hi everyone, open up your browser and type WinRAR, hit enter. Click the first link you can see, click the download WinRAR button. Scroll down. Finally, click the download WinRAR button. The WinRAR exe file is downloading. Click show in folder. It brings us here to the downloads folder. Okay, right click on it. And here you can see run as administrator. Click on it. Click yes. I'm going to minimize it. And finally, click install. Okay, from here, you can select the file type you want to zip or unzip using WinRAR. I'm going to select ISO and JAR also. And finally, click OK. Hit done. Now let's archive a folder using WinRAR. Here you can see a folder. Just right-click on it. Here you can see WinRAR. Here you can see the option Add to Archive. Just click on it. And here you can see the option Archive Format, RAR, or Zip. I personally like Zip. Just select Zip. Click OK. Here you can see a zip file.